Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Raizada and today we'll be learning about data storage systems that power our digital media platforms to keep digital content highly available and scalable for when we access it from our tablets, laptops or mobile phones. No, I'm not talking about data centers, but the data storage servers inside it that are spread across geographies and multiple data centers to build a network that provides us with our data needs across the clock. To understand the problem, what these data storage systems solve, we need to first understand what available and scalable means in the data storage world. To explain availability and scalability, we will be comparing two data storage systems today. The first one is the traditional block storage, which breaks your data into equal size blocks and stores them in separate locations on data storage hardware. These locations can be separate servers distant to each other. The second one is object storage, which at the root level does the same but has an additional mechanism to make these scattered blocks seem like kept together in a bucket. One big disclaimer. During this session, we will only concentrate on reading data from these data storage systems and not writing data on these data storage systems. Availability. In simple terms, it is the speed with which data can be retrieved to be made available on your devices. There are two parallel processes that make this possible. First is a geographic network of data servers which keeps data closest to the users. It is done by creating multiple copies of same data on data servers spread across geographically diverse locations so that users from all around the world can access the copy closest to them. Second is how fast data can be retrieved from data storage hardware. We will be elaborating on the second process today. As mentioned before, in block storage, data is stored in scattered blocks. What I didn't mention is that the system knows the address of the first block only. After accessing the first block, system gets the address of the second block and so on and so forth until it has all the blocks to reconstruct the data from these blocks. As shown in the animation, the process is time consuming for big size data like pictures, videos and other medias. For this reason, with numerous people trying to shop on Black Friday sales, creating a need to retrieve a lot of data simultaneously, Amazon used to crash during early 2000s. So Amazon decided to build a new system, an object store system called S3, which started the whole AWS revolution we are now witnessing. As mentioned earlier, object store stores data in buckets. There are three things these buckets contain. First is the data blocks. Second is metadata, which contains a list of information about all the data blocks and their location. And third is global identifier, which is used to access the object bucket. As soon as the system accesses the object bucket, it gets information on all data blocks and can parallelly retrieve them and quickly reconstruct our pictures, videos, and other media, thereby adding speed to the availability of content on a digital platform. Scalability. In simple terms, it is the freedom to expand your storage. In block storage, data is mapped by logical addressing. Logical addressing is like giving directions to reach a destination, with destination being the data storage server that has our data. What if a new red server is added in between existing blue servers? Now we are unable to reach our destination or data. So we are forced to add new servers only at the end in block storage. Whereas in object storage, every object bucket has a global identifier. So no matter how many servers we add and where we add them, we will always reach the right destination. Therefore, it's easier to scale object storage for certain traffics. For say something that is breaking the internet. Both systems have their own attributes. Block storage is cheap, good for non-media data that does not explode with volume. Say a system that stores most data in text and surge in traffic is very predictable. On the other hand, object storage is costly, but provides amazing performance with media data and can handle surge of traffic. Say a social media platform for uploading media content that can go viral. Today you have to decide what storage should these upcoming platforms use and why. A digital platform for student leaders and students to interact, something like Reddit, where comments can be posted and voted up or down. A new commercial music platform that allows local artists to create and distribute their music online. Thank you.